Fix Cash App won't let me request money. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. First of all, make sure that your Cash App is updated. Head over to your Play Store and search for Cash App. If you see Update instead of Open, tap onto Update and update your app. Once done, head over to your settings. Here, scroll below onto Apps and search for Cash App. Now under here, go on to Storage and delete the data. Before that, make sure that you know your Cash App username, password, and your email address. Tap Delete, come back. Now check if this fixes your problem. If it's still not working for you, then long tap onto your Cash App, tap on Uninstall, tap on OK. Reinstall this application again from your Play Store or App Store, and that shall fix your problem. Thanks for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.